Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul. Now, if you've watched the channel before, you may remember that at the end of December last year I did a video at the bridge over the Puketapu, or the bridge at Puketapu. The original bridge was swept away during Cyclone Gabrielle, and I filmed the beginnings of the construction of a replacement bridge. I said at the end of that video that we would return to see how progress was coming along, and this is that day. So early April 2025, and we're back on site. Well, the news is that work is progressing well, with the new bridge expected to be completed and open to traffic in mid-2025. The Hastings District Council and Hawke's Bay Regional Council are actively working to restore the Puketapu link on the Hawke's Bay trails. The new bridge will be stronger and have more weight capacity than the previous bridge, and is designed to withstand higher intensity earthquakes and reduce debris collection during flood events, such as happened from Cyclone Gabrielle. The restored bridge will reconnect Puketapu and Taradale, allowing cyclists and pedestrians to safely use the Hawke's Bay Trail's Great Ride. The project utilises crushed concrete from the demolition of the old bridge and recycles steel locally to minimise environmental impact.